Hello everybody, today we have another cool unboxing, although a late one, but we can still have fun, enjoy the cars, and maybe we get a chase, cause we have the Car Culture Deutschland Design number 2. I do not know about you guys, but I can never keep the excitement. Anytime I open a box, my eyes scout it for the chase, and I can already see that we do have it, and it's a good one. Wow! Well, I cannot wait to get it and compare it with the regular one, but let's start from the right side, where we have an amazing blue Porsche 911 GT3. Last year's Deutschland Design also had a Porsche, but it was a 959, and it wasn't even close to this one. I mean, just look at it. It's an amazing casting. We all love the Porsches, I saw you guys do. I do, and we can't have enough of them. The details are there all over it, so no issues there. The color choice is great, I cannot say anything about that. The new model's release was all the way back in 2011, and I have the white version from back then. It was the year I started collecting, and I used to buy everything, Porsches, Ferraris, cause Hot Wheels had Ferraris back then, and I also used to open everything. I'm glad I don't do it anymore, although it's fun when you do it. The Audi S4 Quattro is a casting that the first Deutschland Design set also had it, and it wasn't released anywhere else so far. I am going back to the first release from last year because they didn't change much when it comes to the manufacturers chosen, but we have all those Fast and Furious sets, so we do understand the way Mattel does it sometimes. Cool car, one that I can see on the streets in my city. I personally enjoy it. The colors, the details, everything Hot Wheels has done with it so far. I didn't get the last year's set, but I couldn't just pass on this year's one. It's not the perfect set, I didn't enjoy all the cars chosen, but we'll get to the least one I like, just it's not this one. What do you think about this model? I mean, what could Hot Wheels do to make this model better? Now we get to the highlight, which I will not drag it more, it's the chase, which is also the first new casting so far, and this set has two of them. Let's just enjoy this chase a bit, it's one that looks amazing. If you have watched my previous car culture unboxing, we also had another chase, it was the Lamborghini Countach, and that was a version where the regular one actually looked better in my opinion. But it's not the case here, as they both look amazing. I can't pick a favorite, the chase is harder to find, the black color looks great, same as the red version, with details on the front and in the back. Great choice of rims, obviously the red version has them in chrome, so they pop a bit more, but the black ones are not that far behind. I am excited that again I can enjoy a chase, one of the good ones actually, and I didn't rank these cars yet, but I would put this one number 1 for sure. The second new casting of the set is the V6 C-Class version, and it's the one that was chosen to be filled with decals. A lot of branding on it, as you can see, details front and back, cool racing wheels. I haven't ranked the cars until the chase because it's actually pretty hard to make a ranking of this, because besides the chase being number 1, and I also know the fifth one, all the other ones are probably number 2. Being the second German set, they really skipped on the Volkswagen unfortunately. Even the first set only had one, and as you can see this set has none. Maybe in the future Hot Wheels will take in consideration adding more Volkswagen cars, and they have what to choose. I would add any versions of the Golf, a Sirocco, or any other models that they already own the license to. The Sprinter is the last one of the case, and you already guessed, this is my least favorite casting of the set. It is a very cool van, don't get me wrong, the model itself is nice, with details overall, and the real rather stilly wheels. What I do not like is that the set is based on racing cars, sports cars, luxury cars, and I feel that the van just doesn't fit with the rest of the line, maybe not even the same scale. It's just my opinion, but again, it's not that bad, it's full of details, it's cool overall, just my least favorite out of the set. There was another version of it released last year in the pop culture set DC Comics, and that one looked very good as well. Unfortunately I do not have it. If they would have probably picked a Volkswagen Golf instead or any other Volkswagens, it would have been the perfect set for me. I hope you have enjoyed this cool set with me, finding another chase and experiencing these cool cars. The year is at its end and I wish you all a new year filled with accomplishments in your personal life and Hot Wheels collecting. Stay healthy, stay safe, keep on having fun and enjoy the hobby. Thank you for watching.